This one's for the guys or for their girls, because it's not only for girls. If you thought a facial is just something women do and you don't need it, well, you're wrong. If you want to boost your skin appearance big time, you should consider integrating a facial in your routine, because your skin is different and it does need attention and care. You deal with different issues maybe than women, but you still deal with them. So the skin of girls and boys are similar until they get into puberty. Once the hormones kick in, the skin dramatically changes in response to elements, skin structure, and oil production. That's why boys in their teens mostly experience more acne, that it's more active and bigger, unfortunately, than girls. A man's skin is also thicker than a woman, which means issues can go in deeper layer. Even though facials for men are often overlooked, there are many reasons to get them, and I want to introduce you with the 5 top of them. Okay, so one, you're shaving. Let's assume that you're shaving. And that's something that can damage the skin and create inflammation. So we want to calm the skin from shaving. So most men need to shave almost every day, and doing so can irritate the skin. Facial can break that vicious cycles of shaving and irritating the skin. And natural skincare, like the natural aftershave gel and the man facial cream, which is super popular, by the way, guys, will calm and soothe the skin, which makes it makes it less likely to get irritated on your next shaving and improve this vicious cycle. But getting a regular facial helps your skin heal and maintain the texture and the smoothness and the hydration or any irritation caused by shaving. The massage during the facial also oxygenated the blood flow, which is necessary for healing of the skin. And I have a tip: even if you have a beard or a mustache, facials are still options here. The skin under the hair will still receive the benefits from the steams, the massage, the products. Afterwards, your beautiful beard can be more conditioned and mendable and better looking as well. So number 2 benefit, it relieves tension. It's not uncommon for men to store tension and stress in their jaw, in the facial muscles, in the shoulders and neck. They may not even know that they are doing this, and experiencing a relaxation facial massage you can feel the difference suddenly, that, oh, I didn't know I was stressed and the muscles were tensed. So the gentleman bliss men's facial includes actually like acupuncture points for the neck, the scalp, the head, the shoulders, to relieve this tension that you don't even know you're carrying. And in addition to taking care of their skin professional, a good beautician is trained in some kind of muscle tension relax, and we provide the ultimate relaxation to men who embrace the chance to just chill out. And many men do not realize that massage can improve a part of the whole facial experience, and often most praised after the treatment. Everybody are like, oh my God, this is the best feeling I ever had. So yeah, that's it, which is a benefit by itself. Number 3, combat the elements around us. Being outside or exposed to environment toxins is rough to the skin, and the facial skin is most affected. Well, all our skin, because it's the largest organ of the body. Too much sun, wind, everything that outside in the air, like overwhelm the skin pores and leave the skin looking and feeling not clean, dirty. Men's facial are designed to repair the damage that is already done and prevent additional damage to the skin during the facial. I can also recommend products that provide a barrier to these elements to protect your skin better. Number 4, a facial will balance your oil production. Men can produce quite a bit of oil on their skin because of their hormones. After a workout or applying water, you can see that the skin, just like when you clean it, it's like cleans very kind of quickly because it's open. And a men's facial will address these things to build up the to balance the overproduction of oil that can be built up due to the men hormones. Overproduction of oil can create, of course, acne and a lot of blackheads. Number 5, a men's facial provides proper hydration. We all need hydration. When the face skin gets clogged pores, acne, or too much oil, many do not think about hydrating the skin. But over 50% of men do have dry skin, even if it doesn't show, or dehydrated skin. If men have oily skin or breakout, some of them will drawn to the oil-free products, which are horrible because they strip away the natural oil and make the skin create more oils actually to compensate that. Or they don't put anything at all because they think the skin is already oily, which is a mistake. And dehydration of the skin will cause breakouts, and that's why a facial can not only moisturize the skin, but it can help to maintain the result and give you the tips that you need how to keep the hydration on and avoid clogged pores. During the facial, I will give you all my knowledge and tips that I can to protect your skin and hydrate it over anything. Also, if you use the same soap bar to your body and your skin and your hair, maybe, please stop. It's not appropriate. I will help you to find your face cleanser that is better for your skin. And your skin is the largest organ in your body, and your face says a lot about your health and your attitude and how you show up. So be proactive and treat your skin as well as the rest of you by getting skincare advices, professional facials, and recommendations and tips. And I think now the change of the season is a great time to start a facial routine, because there is no man that was on the treatment bed and didn't say like, oh my God, I wish I did it before. So regrets, we live in the past, but you can always start. So you're welcome to enjoy your gentleman glow facial, and let me take care of you.